I'm going to show you how to be a vegan and how to be an entrepreneur, your own boss.
Ooh, you look so pretty.
Look, I just got out the shower. I didn't feel like putting on the shirt, but I did feel like shooting a video for you guys because I try to give you guys as much content as I possibly can. You guys are awesome. You're watching me, helping me grow my YouTube channel. I kind of like you. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the difference between a JPEG file and a PNG file. And the reason why I decided to do this video is because this can be very essential if you know this skill and know the difference between these two files. Because if you're a personal brand or just a business owner and you need to make some content, it helps to know how to make thumbnails, which I'm going to talk about in another video. And also it helps to understand graphics and web design so you can know what's professional and what's not professional. Let's go over what a JPEG file is for those people who don't know what a JPEG file is. A JPEG is essentially an image, and it is a format for compressing image files. So when you typically upload a photo, say to like Facebook or your Instagram, most of the time that's a JPEG file, okay? And it is basically an image where you pretty much got your background. You got a background in the image, okay? A PNG file is pronounced ping. I always say PNG, but it's pronounced as ping, and according to Google, ping as in ping-pong for portable. It stands for portable network graphics, and essentially it's a file format for image compression that in time expected to replace the graphic interchange format GIF, which we're going to talk about in another video, that is widely used on today's internet. So that's according to searchmicroservices.techtarget.com. That's what it says. But in simpler terms, PNG file is where you don't have a background on an image. So let me give you an example. Okay, you got this, which is a JPEG file, and then you got this that is a PNG file. Okay, so you got the image of Lonzo Ball at UCLA as a regular image when he's in the arena or wherever he's playing at, and then you got another image of him where the background is out. It looks better when you use PNG files. When I make a lot of my images and stuff like that, I use PNG files, especially when I'm doing thumbnails. Like this video that you clicked on had a PNG file if you looked at the thumbnail of it, which I'm going to talk about in another video on how to make a thumbnail. And this helps the brand. It helps it make it more, it's visually more appealing to the viewer when they have something to click on. It gets their attention. It's something that sticks out to them if you want to be a personal brand and make videos, or even if you want to brand yourself on a blog, if you want to be a writer or something like that. It helps when you know these things if you want to brand yourself. I remember when I used to do a blog, I used to brand myself to where I would have the logo on each image that I have, that I had when I, like for example, if you post an image like of an article like on Facebook, it'd be like the insert part. So it'd be like the headline would be, I don't feel like thinking of a headline, but the headline would be Donald Trump puts up the wall near Mexico. That'd be the headline. Then you see like the image, right? But for me, when I did a blog like something like that, I would have the image and then I would have the logo. Would it be like dealsuit.com and had to be like a logo or something like that. And that was a good way of subconsciously promoting the brand. Okay, so that is something useful that you guys can be able to use in the future for your business, knowing the difference between a PNG file and a JPEG file. Now next I have on the list of video topics to cover is what is a GIF file, which is what is a GIF and how that can promote and expand your business, and what is a thumbnail. We're going to talk about that in another video, so you guys make sure you look out for that. I'm Jeremiah. I'm signing out, the vegan entrepreneur. Don't look at my little ground beef hairs. It's not for you. Talk to you guys soon. Yo! What's going on, YouTube? Jeremiah, the vegan entrepreneur here, and I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe. All you have to do is go to my videos or something like that and click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click the bell. The bell is the key to success. That is going to allow me to come up and let you know each time I get a video. Thank you.